In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Gantt chart on Monday.com. Whether you're managing projects or planning a series of tasks, a Gantt chart can be your best friend for visualizing timelines and dependencies. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can get started on creating clear, interactive timelines for your projects. First, head over to Monday.com. Once you're at the website, take a look at the upper right corner where you'll find the login button. Click on that and you'll have a couple of options to sign in. If you prefer a quick login, use the sign in with Google option, or simply type in the email address associated with your Monday account. If you do choose the Google option, make sure to select the correct email address you intend to work with from the list. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the board where you want to create your Gantt chart. Before you dive into creating the chart, it's important to ensure that your board has both a timeline and dependency column, as these are crucial for the Gantt chart functionality. If they're not there yet, don't worry, you can easily add them. Look at your board and find the plus sign next to your last column. Clicking on this will allow you to search for and add the timeline column. Repeat this process to add the dependency column. If dependency doesn't show up right away, you can use the search bar to locate it. Now let's fill in the necessary details. Enter the dates and any other relevant information that will help populate your Gantt chart. Once you have your timeline and dependency data ready, it's time to create your Gantt chart. Find the plus sign button next to the main table tab at the top of your board, click on it, and select Gantt from the list of view options. Your Gantt chart will be automatically generated based on the information you've provided in the timeline and dependency columns. Want to tweak the look or settings to better suit your needs? You can easily do that. Simply click on the three dotted line in the upper right corner of the Gantt chart view, which will open up a menu. From there, go to Settings. Here you'll find various customization options that let you tailor the Gantt chart to your specific preferences. And there you have it, a complete customized Gantt chart on Monday.com. I hope this tutorial has made the process clear and manageable for you. With these steps under your belt, you're now ready to keep your projects organized and on track. Thanks for watching and happy project planning.